Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, we are going to tackle a common issue that many Netflix users face. The your device isn't a part of Netflix household error. This error can prevent you from enjoying your favorite shows and movies. But don't worry, I am here to help you fix it. So the first thing we need to do, um, this occur this error occurs when Netflix detects that a device accessing your account is outside the designated household. Netflix defines a household as people living together who share the same internet connection. So if you are traveling or sharing your account, this error might pop up. Make sure your device is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. If you are using a mobile device or laptop, connect it to your home network to see if that resolves the issue. Next, log into your Netflix account on a web browser and navigate to the account settings. From there, go to Manage Household and make sure all your devices are recognized. If a new device isn't listed, you can add it here. Now, you are using a VPN or proxy. Now, if you are using it, it might be the one causing the issue. Disable any VPN or proxy settings and try accessing Netflix again. Some VPNs can interfere with Netflix's ability to determine your location, leading to this error. Next, if you have tried all the above steps and you are still experiencing the issue, it is time to reach out to Netflix support. They can help you troubleshoot further and may be able to reset your household settings. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your device isn't a part of Netflix household error. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.